Now, this week, apparently, Burkina Faso Transitional Legislative Assembly actually voted unanimously to join or to pursue the Vienna Convention on the civil liability on nuclear damage. So this is one of the pathways in which Burkina Faso is trying to seek in order to be one of the nuclear, energy producers. So it's one way because Burkina Faso is one country that has suffered a lot from lack of, this power infrastructure, energy infrastructure like hydroelectric power, and therefore they are seeking to use some of the uranium that is found around there to be able to actually be able to produce electricity. So they're even liaising the likes of Rosatom, which is one of these Russian companies or state companies that actually help in terms of establishing or building some of these nuclear reactors. So Burkina Faso there is something. So when you look at this Vienna Convention of Civil Liability, is simply it actually creates a pathway in which countries are liable and are held accountable in terms of any nuclear damage. So, for instance, they don't civilians don't need to prove enough that there was some negligence in case of accident. It also offers financial path in terms of financing this project, and it also caters for insurance in terms of in terms of damage or in terms of any accident. So this is just one of the protocols because when you have nuclear reactor, for you to even begin it, you need to sign that document. It's a Vienna Convention because once again, nuclear is a very dangerous chemicals that can actually affect the civilians. So yes, let's see what Burkina Faso is going to do with the government of the junta or the military leader, Ibrahim Traore, in the future.